Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest weekly Forex and stock markets review from InstaForexs. The retail growth and consumer sentiment index discouraged the market and sent the US stocks lower to the end of the week. Nevertheless, the indices recorded new highs throughout much of the week. Dow Jones Index shed 0.08 points to 14,865.06, snapping three-day highs. S&P 500 contracted 4.52 points or 0.3% and closed at history low of 1,588.85 on the week. The energy and basic materials sectors were amongst the outsiders. Nasdaq Composite decreased 5.21 points or 0.2% to 3,294.95 points. In addition, all the three indicators were in uptrend at the end of the week. Dow Jones grew 2.1%, S&P 500 added 2.3%, Nasdaq lifted 2.8%. However, the situation exacerbated when the US macroeconomic data was disclosed. The retail sales lost 0.4% in the USA in March against the expected 0.1% fall. Besides, consumer sentiment index slipped to a 9-month low. The Thomson Reuters University of Michigan preliminary index declined to 72.3, much lower than the forecasted 79.3 points. In addition, the Department of Labor reported early on Friday that the PPI index dropped seasonally adjusted 0.6%, missing the market expectations. The US stock futures parted some losses shortly after the Boston Fed President Eric Rosengren, a big proponent of the Fed's bond buying program and voting member with the Federal Open Market Committee, delivered his speech at the economic conference. Rosengren emphasized that the unemployment rate together with inflation are well below the targets, so highly accommodative policy is both appropriate and necessary. Moreover, the stock index futures extended losses on Friday amid JP Chase & Company quarter results. The data upbeat the Wall Street forecast but was not good enough for the investors. The bank's stocks lost 0.5%. JP Chase posted a first quarter profit of $1.59 per share versus the estimates for $1.39. The earnings were 3% less and totaled $25.8 billion. At the same time, Harris Corporation securities tumbled 5% to finish down at $44.06 per share. The International Telecommunications Equipment Company announced its weaker outlook on the revenue and income for the current quarter. Now, Harris expects to receive $1.12 per share against the Wall Street estimate of $1.26. This was the latest weekly stocks market and Forex market review. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.